Every Cadbury Dairy Milk bar begins thousands of miles away in rich tropical soils, where cocoa trees yield the foundational ingredient of chocolate. Only fully mature pods are selected by hand, ensuring the cocoa beans inside have reached optimal flavor density before harvesting. Once opened, raw beans, surrounded by sweet pulp, undergo a multi-day fermentation process to unlock their deep, complex chocolate aroma. Sun-drying reduces moisture levels significantly, stabilizing the beans for long-distance transport to central processing facilities. Simultaneously, fresh liquid milk arrives daily at the factory, forming the crucial second core component of the signature dairy milk recipe. At the processing plant, dried cocoa beans are unloaded, inspected for quality, and fed directly into the automated cleaning sequence. Vibrating screen sorters immediately eliminate foreign particles and undersized beans to maintain absolute purity across production. Advanced optical sensors analyze thousands of individual beans per minute, rejecting any specimen that fails strict color and size standards. Precision roasting develops deep cocoa flavors while loosening outer shells, preparing beans for the subsequent cracking stage. Winnowing machines crack the roasted shells, using air currents to draw away light husks while collecting pure cocoa nibs. Heavy rotating granite mills crush the cocoa nibs under intense friction, releasing natural cocoa butter to transform solid nibs into liquid cocoa liquor. Simultaneously, incoming liquid milk undergoes low-temperature evaporation to remove water, concentrating its natural sugars and proteins. The concentrated milk is blended directly with cocoa liquor and sugar, creating the foundational milk crumb mixture unique to Cadbury's rich flavor. Vacuum drying gently removes moisture while caramelizing the natural milk sugars, resulting in dry, aromatic milk chocolate crumb. Multiple steel refiners compress the crumb powder down to microscopic particle sizes, ensuring a perfectly smooth, non-gritty texture on the tongue. Refined powder enters continuous conching tanks, where heavy mechanical paddles knead the liquid chocolate for hours to develop flavor and release bitter volatiles. Additional cocoa butter is added near the end of conching, bringing the liquid chocolate to its exact target viscosity for molding. Tempering units cool and reheat the liquid chocolate with precise temperature control, encouraging stable crystal formation for a glossy finish and clean snap. Pre-warmed mold trays pass beneath volumetric depositing heads, calibrated to pour the exact weight of tempered chocolate into every bar cavity. Precision depositors fill thousands of mold blocks simultaneously, maintaining strict uniform weight standards across the production line. High-frequency vibration tables shake the filled molds, releasing air pockets to guarantee a solid, gap-free internal structure. The molds enter a controlled cooling tunnel, where precise temperature zones contract the chocolate, allowing easy release from the trays. Upon exiting, mechanical arms flex the trays, dropping hundreds of perfectly set chocolate bars onto sanitized take-off belts. Unwrapped chocolate bars travel along high-speed distribution lanes, maintaining strict spatial separation to prevent scuffing. Automated positioning arms organize the continuous stream into perfectly aligned single-file lanes for precision wrapping. Human craftsmanship complements automation as quality technicians visually audit random sample bars for surface gloss and structural integrity. High-speed checkweighers confirm each bar meets exact net, mass parameters before granting passage to the packaging stage. Advanced vision systems utilize high-resolution light gates to instantly detect micro-defects, instantly rejecting non-conforming bars. The iconic debossed logo on every square serves as the visual mark of authentic ingredients and rigorous quality control. Approved bars transfer into high-speed wrapping modules, where signature purple protective foil envelopes each chocolate bar. Rotary heat sealers instantly crimp and fuse the foil edges, locking in freshness and protecting the chocolate from ambient moisture. Laser-guided inkjet systems stamp each package with precise batch identification codes and expiration dates for full product. Traceability. High-speed collation modules group individual wrapped bars into exact multi-pack counts with flawless mechanical rhythm. Mechanical pushers slide the collated bars into automatically erected cardboard display cases, preparing them for wholesale transit. Precision hot melt applicators apply adhesive strips to the carton flaps, which are pressed shut to secure the internal contents. Sealed retail cartons flow along gravity roller conveyors, merging into central shipping and palletizing corridors. Heavy-duty robotic palletizers stack shipping cases according to pre-programmed interlocking patterns for maximum transport stability. Automated stretch wrap machines tightly seal each loaded pallet in protective clear film, shielding shipments during international transit. Forklifts transport the finished pallets into climate-controlled storage bays, maintaining optimal temperature and humidity levels. Refrigerated trailers are loaded under strict temperature protocols, preparing millions of bars for distribution to global markets. Secured within climate-controlled transports, millions of freshly minted chocolate bars begin their journey from factory doors to retail destinations worldwide. Across continents, distribution networks deliver the product to local grocers and confectionery displays, completing the global logistical chain. Every carefully placed bar represents a seamless bridge between raw tropical harvests, heavy precision engineering, and the retail shelf. From the tree to the shelf, the meticulous process ensures that the product delivered into consumer hands preserves its signature quality. Unwrapping the bar reveals the velvety smooth texture and deep, aromatic rich scent, perfected through hours of continuous conching and refining. A clean, audible snap confirms the precise tempering process, verifying proper crystallization of the pure cocoa butter within. The harmonized combination of fresh dairy milk and fine cocoa remains the unchanged core of identity behind Cadbury's famous creamy taste. It is an intricate journey of agricultural dedication, industrial precision engineering, and unyielding quality standard checks, transforming simple natural ingredients into millions of identical, world-famous chocolate bars enjoyed across the globe every single day. Cadbury Dairy Milk, crafted with care, precision, and a glass and a half of pure milk in every bar. Behind continuous industrial volume lies constant scientific refinement, ensuring every batch meets exact melting point and mouthfeel parameters. Dimensional accuracy is monitored at the sub-millimeter scale, guaranteeing that structural specifications remain uniform across production runs. Automated sampling loops continually pull finished units directly from active lines to maintain uninterrupted quality feedback. Centralized digital control centers track thousands of data points every second, balancing ingredient feed rates with thermal stability. This seamless harmony between natural sourcing, heavy industrial scale, and micro-precision engineering produces millions of bars daily. From raw bean to iconic bar, every step reflects decades of craft, precision engineering, and dedication to timeless flavor.